Hi there, mates. Today I decided to speak about a very promising project that called Onto. A couple years ago I took too many Onto in my wallet and then I skip it, and now it's time to speak about a project powered by Ontology. So it's Onto. Onto is a DApps-based gateway for a seamless Web3 experience. The best all-in-one option for secure management your identities, data and digital assets. Onto allows you to manage your crypto asset, including NFTs, perform cross-chain swaps, readily access a variety of dApps, and learn everything important in real time via Onto news feeds. It sounds pretty cool, and today we will speak about the partners of this project, about the chains that are available for using on a dApps of this project, and so on. By the way, with Onto Wallet, users can create an Onto ID, a decentralized digital identity that enables one-click multi-chain wallet address creation and management in a fully project their private data through an encryptions algorithm. Users worldwide can download Onto Wallet now via Onto app. You can see it on a website on their mobile app store. Desktop users can also install Onto Web Wallet for web browsers. Just install a browser extension and use it for your pleasure, guys. So, of course, you can ask me, what does Ontology DID mean? Also, it's called Onto ID. So, Ontology DID is decentralized identification protocol, which based on Web3C DID specifications. Probably it sounds pretty difficult, but let me explain you. It means it supports collaborative service such as distributed and diversified ownership confirmation, identification and authentication of various entities, including individuals, legal entities, object and contents. So, frankly speaking, Onto ID establishes a cryptographically based digital identity for each entity, allowing self-sovereign of data authorization and ownership confirmation, which makes the identity and data truly assets that the users can control. Onto ID has the characteristics of decentralization, self-management, privacy protections, and security, and easy of use. So let me draw your attention to the website. Here we can find the bottom how to download. You can download two type of project. It's browser extension, as I told you, and your mobile version for better experience and to get an opportunity to use it in more comfortable way. So, Onto is a portal to Web3. So, key features, financial audit, it means digital assets, token or NFTs are completely in your hands, 100% in your hands. Decentralized identity, data security, what else? One chain reputation, cross-chain transactions, and finally support for both mobile and web services. Sounds pretty cool, and when we will see the light paper of the project, I'll tell you a couple words about all the opportunities that this project give us, and about all the chains that already implemented in the Onto app. So here we can manage all our assets with a single private key, self-sovereign wallet. It's a multi-signature wallet. Speaking about explore hundreds of dApps and discover your favorite, it means we can connect in one place different types of chains and use it with a pleasure. I think it's a trend of it's a new trend of wallets that will happen this year on this cryptocurrency market, because the project creates too long time, and now it's time to implement it in a real life. So let's go further. Native cross-chain bridge, multi-chain exchange sounds pretty cool, and one-chain identity, self-sovereign data management, and so on. 3 easy steps how to get started in a second. Download Onto, create a wallet, transfer assets. Sounds easy, and I think it's a trend of nowadays to make everything very, very simple. Okay, we can download Onto in iOS app, Test Flight, Google Play, Android app, and Chrome. Couple words about partners. It's a Wing, Poly Network, Open Ocean, 1inch, Sushi, Pancake Swap, Vault, 4Tube, Baby Swap, Dairy, Ontology, of course, Binance Chain, OKX Chain, and so on, Aave, Compound, Uniswap. Lists of very strong and professional project funds and so on, cause the Ontology is a project from an early cryptocurrency stage of the current market, so and this project is really have a sense to follow them and to stay in touch with them. Okay, let me tell you a couple words about newly added chains, dApps and tokens. This year in February, new dApps were added. It's Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Huobi Eco Chain, OAC and Harmony. And you can see a list of tokens that already available to be used in this dApps. So what about tokens? Zik, Terk, Pekoka, I don't know this token, Nifty, Metaf, Zik, IDEX, Cis, Metaf, and so on. I even don't know these tokens, but looking at the lists of the chains that already installed in this dApps, I think it's really interesting project. So here you can find all necessary information about introduction of the project, edit newly chains, get some frequently asked questions about what is Onto and the key features of this project, and so on and so on. So if you want to get an answer what is Ont ID, I already told you. Frankly speaking, Ontology establishes a decentralized trust model and distributed trust delivery systems through Ont ID and the variable claim, and uses the CL signature algorithm and zero knowledge proof protocol to assure privacy protection of variable claim. Through Ont ID, Ontology will also incorporate various authentication services agencies and establish multi-source authentications of the entity's identity to achieve complete identity portrait. In addition to rely on specific central entities to build trust relationship, entities can also build equally strong trust relationship by themselves. Trust transfer is achieved through mutual identification between entities. Entities will have higher credibility if they receive more authentications from other entities. Sounds pretty explainable, and especially if those other entities have high credibility. So, and finalize our review, let me add that Ont is built a very unique dApps at the blockchain and Web3 at your fingertips. In common words, it's a decentralized multi-chain gateway for identity and asset management. So if you want to be in touch with this project, just download it, try to use, and then you understand how it will be useful for you and how you can manage all the chains in one place, in one fingertips. And I think it's a very promising and very interesting project. Thank you very much, guys, for being with us today. Stay in touch with us, stay in touch with the project that we reviewed on our cryptocurrency channel, and take care of yourself and your loved ones, guys. Have a nice time. Bye.